everybody, Kevin from Ocean Janitors, putting in the work. Hey, I got an awesome video for you guys today. We really worked hard making it, and we got 4 tires that we got out of the water, and we got so much footage for you guys, so much content that I have to put it in a 2-part session. So this is going to be the first video of 2, and we just got some really incredible video. And before we get to it, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you guys would like to donate to our nonprofit, PayPal, we got it up there in the bio, the link, and we really greatly appreciate it. It helps us to continue to do the things that we do. Thank you guys for joining the ride. Thank you for being here, and we hope you guys have a great day. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Regina got involved, and we got her pulling tire out, and so we just really had a community effort today in this. It's just so cool. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us get our message out there, lets people know what we're trying to do for the Kai, for the ocean, and we really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys have a great day, and God bless. All right, it's time to hit it. Got everything laid out. We're ready to go get these tires out. What an absolutely beautiful day. The water was clean, clear. Skies were blue. Beautiful. Here we go. I got my shovel. I'm ready to dig. Whoosh, whoosh. We got to have fun. Okay. Got all my stuff ready to go. Think I have enough gear on me? Well, here we go. Man, with all that stuff on, I'm surprised I didn't sink to the bottom. All right. We had a little bit of a swim to get out there. It's good exercise, and here we are. Now this tire was really big. It was the largest in diameter that we pulled out. It's an old tractor tire, and again, if you've been following some of our other videos, we've been talking about how these tires have been down there for about 30 years, so they haven't even seen the light of day for about 30 years. So this is absolutely incredible. They used to be along the wharf, and they would protect the boats that would come in from the dock, from the pier. So anyways, over time the water has washed them out, the waves come in and the ropes break and they get taken out. So we're getting them out of there. And if you notice, there's holes that I'm putting those ropes through to where I can tie off. That's what they would tie off on the wharf. I was very thankful for those holes. Made it a lot easier to get those babies out. Those lift bags are absolutely incredible. There's no way that we could do this without lift bags. I guarantee you that. Now I guess we'd find a way, but I'd rather have the lift bags. So we got those air bags filled up with as much air in there as we could get. And now we're gonna go down, start digging. There we go. Starting to break loose. And what an awesome feeling when that baby starts breaking loose, man. It is an amazing feeling. And you just think, you're at a point, you're like, man, is this thing ever gonna come out? Am I ever gonna get this thing out? And then it starts breaking loose. And then we start getting all the sand out of the inside of that tire, and look at that, it just takes off. And when it makes its decision to go, you better get the heck out of the way, because it's going with you or without you. So cool. That's an amazing feeling right there. Cleaning up the Kai. Yes, sir. Got all kinds of stuff floating down. When you clear the inside of these tires out, you gotta watch out because there's fire worms and crabs and all kinds of stuff in there that you kind of have to watch out for. They could just kind of irritate the skin. Now I was shoveling this out for two reasons, because it makes it lighter for us to push it back, and then as you guys will see in a little bit, we have people waiting for us to pull these tires out. So thank God for them. We have some of the guys from the village that help pull these babies out, and man, thank you so much for your help. But yeah, they appreciate me getting the sand out, because if I left that in there, they'd probably be cussing me out a little bit. But gotta be nice to them, because they're nice to me most of the time. It's pretty tiring. Shovel, 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 shovel. I guess I should have brought a bigger shovel. And if you're wondering if that stuff gets all over you, the answer is yes. It makes an absolutely mess. Absolute mess. I had sand in places I didn't even know I could get sand. I had it everywhere. You think, how does it get down inside your wetsuit? Well, it does. It's just a cloud of sand, but it's all good. We do what we got to do. You can see the hole in the bottom of that tire. Sand is just pouring out of there. Still quite a bit of sand. It's just amazing to me how those lift bags can just yank that thing up, even with all that sand in there, and just take it right up like it's nothing. It's absolutely amazing. This is such a cool shot. Just an epic shot right through the hole. That tire was so big I could have probably swam through that hole. I should have tried it for you, but I was too busy concentrating on just getting that baby out. Maybe next time. Look at that sand pouring out. Just pouring out that hole. Another beautiful shot. It's a beautiful thing. I love this shot. This is so cool. Watch this. That's awesome. Love that shot. On the long swim back, getting more exercise than we needed for one day. Now we're tying on an extra rope to take it up to the guys. The muscle men of the village, they're gonna yank that baby up. Yes, sir. Look at that. Wow, that thing was huge. Thank you guys so much for your help. You guys are awesome. We got some crabs that were in there. Wow, look at that. We saved them, threw them back in the ocean. And here we are, off for the next one. Now remember, we got 4 out this day, and we got 2 on this video. I didn't want to make it too long for you, but there's just such awesome video. Now this one is really, really buried, and if you see, I'm kind of rubbing around the edges because I'm looking for those holes. I'm trying to find the holes because they help out so much, and guess what? There were no holes. Shoot. I was like, what the heck? You gotta be kidding me, man. What am I gonna do? So I start digging around the bottom because I was gonna try to take the rope and put it through, but this is a super, super thick tire. It's actually not, the diameter is not as big as that other one, but this tire is actually heavier. So there was no way I was going to go through the bottom side. So you'll see what I did in just a second. Yanking, yanking, yanking. It's not budging. I want you to notice those 2 little butterfly fish. Look at that, man. They're just hanging out. They're like, what the heck are you doing, Kevin? Oh my gosh. You're trying to steal our tires. No, actually, they were getting pretty close, and I think they were probably just checking it out and saying, hey, thank you guys for what you're doing. I hope that's what they were saying. I think they were actually trying to get some fireworms that we were rustling up in the water. So I have a carabiner, a hook, a large hook that I carry with me all the time. So what I did was I hooked it on the lip and then hooked up the airbags to that, and then was able to get it out that way. So that's what I'm doing right now, just hooking up all the lines, getting it all stretched out, trying not to get tangled up in all the stuff that I'm carrying, and also the rope and everything else. I was just having so much fun. Yes! Almost lost my shovel. Okay, we're getting ready to fill up these airbags. So I'm sticking my octo in there and filling it up, getting as much air in there as I could possibly get some pull on that baby. Regina got tired of watching me, so she says, hey, I'm just gonna go film this fish that's swimming around me. So what a beautiful fish. That's so cool. Just hanging out with us. Now we're back. Got the bags all filled up. Now it's time to get down to the bottom and start digging. I'll be real honest with you on this one. It was so buried that when I started digging, I started wondering if that baby was going to come out. It's like I was talking about earlier. You always get that feeling that, man, I really hope this thing's going to come out. But I tell you what, when that releases, what a joy. So exciting. That might sound crazy to you, but hey, it's a great feeling. Look at that. It releases, and I'm thinking, it's time to get the heck out of the way. Get a little bit more sand out, just to lighten that load up a little bit. It doesn't take much, and there it goes. Yeah, that's an awesome feeling. Hope you guys liked the video. Hey, stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching, guys. Aloha.